Cambodia, a land of ancient temples where history whispers through the stones of Angkor Wat, especially at sunrise when the first light of day casts a golden hue over these magnificent structures. The warm smiles of the Cambodian people, their genuine hospitality, and their rich cultural heritage invite you to explore the beauty and depth of this enchanting country. From the bustling streets of Phnom Penh, where the energy of urban life pulses through the city, with its vibrant markets, historical landmarks, and modern developments, to the serene countryside, where lush landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here, you can immerse yourself in the natural beauty and tranquility that Cambodia has to offer. Journey with me as we uncover hidden gems, from secluded temples and pristine beaches to charming villages and scenic trails. These off-the-beaten-path destinations reveal the true essence of Cambodia, away from the usual tourist spots. As we navigate this captivating country, we do so with respect and appreciation for its culture, traditions, and natural beauty. Every step we take is a step towards understanding and honoring the rich heritage of Cambodia. Get ready to taste the flavors of Khmer cuisine, a culinary journey that takes you through bustling street food markets and local eateries. Each dish tells a story, a delicious explosion of flavors that reflect the country's diverse influences. With every bite, you'll experience the freshness of herbs and spices, the harmony of sweet, sour, salty, and bitter flavors that make Cambodian cuisine so unique and unforgettable. Feel the weight of history as you wander through ancient ruins, where every stone and carving speaks of a bygone era. Imagine the stories they hold, the lives that once thrived in these now silent places. Delve into the historical mysteries that Cambodia offers, exploring ancient sites that have stood the test of time, each with its own tale to tell, waiting for you to uncover. Cambodia is waiting to be discovered, a land of endless beauty and wonder. So pack your bags, open your heart, and get ready for an adventure that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. In Cambodia, respect is paramount, especially when it comes to photography. The country is rich in culture and history, and its people are proud of their heritage. Before you lift your camera, remember that you are a visitor in a place with deep-rooted traditions. It's important to be mindful of the local customs and practices. Always ask for permission before taking photos of people. This simple act of courtesy shows that you respect their privacy and personal space. A smile and a simple gesture can go a long way. It can help bridge the gap between different cultures and create a positive interaction. Some temples may have restrictions on photography. These sacred sites hold significant spiritual value, and it's crucial to honor their rules. Observe posted signs and ask your guide or local authorities if you are unsure. They can provide valuable information on what is acceptable and what is not. Respectful photography ensures that you capture memories without causing offense. By being considerate, you contribute to a positive experience for both yourself and the locals. Engaging with locals can also enhance your experience. Take the time to learn about their stories and traditions. This not only enriches your travel experience but also fosters mutual respect and understanding. Participating in local events and festivals can provide unique photo opportunities. However, always be mindful of the context and the people around you. Using a long lens can help you capture candid moments from a distance without intruding on personal space. This approach allows you to document the beauty of everyday life while maintaining respect for the subjects. Sharing your photos with the people you photograph can be a wonderful way to connect. It shows that you value their presence in your memories and appreciate their cooperation. Remember, your actions as a photographer reflect not only on you, but also on other travelers. By practicing respectful photography, you help build a positive image of tourists and contribute to the preservation of local cultures. Cambodia's tropical climate is a key factor to consider when planning your trip. The rainy season, from May to October, brings lush greenery and cooler temperatures. Downpours can be heavy but are often brief. The dry season, from November to April, offers sunshine and clear skies. This is peak tourist season, so expect larger crowds and higher prices. Pack light clothing, a hat, and sunscreen to stay comfortable in the heat. Venture beyond the well-trodden path and discover Battambang, a city brimming with charm. Admire the colonial architecture that lines the streets. Experience the unique thrill of a bamboo train ride through the countryside. Don't miss the Faraponlo Selpak Circus, a school and social enterprise that showcases the talents of Cambodian youth. Their performances are a vibrant fusion of acrobatics, dance, and storytelling. Section 5. Ethical Encounters. Protecting Cambodia's Wildlife. Cambodia's wildlife is precious and it's crucial to experience it ethically. Avoid activities that exploit animals, such as elephant riding. These practices cause harm and contribute to the suffering of these magnificent creatures. Instead, seek out ethical wildlife sanctuaries and tours. These organizations prioritize the well-being of animals while providing opportunities for observation and education. Section 6. Quenching your thirst responsibly. Refillable bottles. Plastic waste is a global concern, and Cambodia is no exception. You can make a difference by carrying a refillable water bottle. Many hotels and restaurants provide filtered water stations where you can refill your bottle for free. By choosing to refill, you'll not only stay hydrated but also contribute to a cleaner, healthier environment for everyone. Section 7. Connecting with locals, the heart of Cambodia. The Cambodian people are known for their warmth and hospitality. Embrace the opportunity to interact with locals and experience the true essence of Cambodian culture. Learn a few basic Khmer phrases. A simple hello or thank you in the local language can go a long way in breaking down barriers and forging connections. Section 8. Navigating Cambodia local transportation options. Exploring Cambodia offers a variety of transportation options. For shorter distances, hop on a remorque, a motorbike with a carriage attached. These are a convenient and affordable way to navigate busy streets. For a more leisurely pace, try a cyclo, a three-wheeled bicycle taxi. Remember to negotiate the fare before you start your journey. Section 9. Respecting sacred spaces and quiet zones. Cambodia is a deeply spiritual country with numerous temples and sacred sites. When visiting these places, dress modestly and remove your shoes before entering. Maintain a respectful silence and avoid disruptive behavior. Certain neighborhoods may also have quiet hours. Be mindful of noise levels and respect the peace and tranquility of these areas. Section 10. Power up. Portable chargers for unpredictable moments. Power outages can occur in Cambodia, so it's wise to be prepared. Carry a portable charger for your electronic devices. This ensures that you can stay connected, capture those Instagram-worthy moments, and access important information. Having a charged device can be especially helpful in case of emergencies or unexpected situations. Section 11. Health precautions, staying safe during your travels. Before embarking on your Cambodian adventure, consult your doctor about necessary vaccinations and health precautions. Pack mosquito repellent, especially if you're traveling during the rainy season. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of bottled water and be mindful of food hygiene. By taking these precautions, you can focus on enjoying your trip to the fullest. Section 12. Embracing Cambodia, a journey of respect and discovery. Cambodia, a land of rich history and vibrant culture, invites travelers to explore its depths with an open heart and mind. Cambodia is a country of contrasts, where the ancient and the modern coexist in a delicate balance. From the bustling streets of Phnom Penh to the serene temples of Angkor Wat, every corner of this country tells a story, where ancient history meets modern life. The juxtaposition of old and new is evident everywhere you look, creating a unique tapestry that is both intriguing and enlightening. By embracing these travel tips, you can ensure a more enriching experience. Start by learning a few basic phrases in Khmer. The locals will appreciate your effort, and it will help you connect on a deeper level. And approaching your journey with respect and an open mind, you open yourself up to the true essence of Cambodia. Respect the local customs and traditions, and always be mindful of your actions. You'll create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it's watching the sunrise over Angkor Wat or sharing a meal with a local family, these moments will stay with you forever. Remember to ask before taking photos, especially of people. It's a simple act of courtesy that goes a long way in building mutual respect. Pack for the tropical climate, which means light, breathable clothing and plenty of sunscreens. Don't forget insect repellent, as the tropical environment can be a haven for mosquitoes. And venture beyond the tourist trail to discover hidden gems. Engage with locals, respect their customs, and take the time to learn about their way of life. Visit lesser-known temples, explore rural villages, and immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the countryside. And savor the flavors of Cambodian cuisine. Try traditional dishes like amok and lok lok, and don't be afraid to sample street food. The culinary experience is an integral part of understanding the culture. Most importantly, travel responsibly and leave a positive impact on this beautiful country. Support local businesses, reduce your environmental footprint, and be a mindful traveler. By doing so, you contribute to the preservation of Cambodia's rich heritage and natural beauty for future generations to enjoy.